Good morning, dear students. Today, let's learn how to use apostrophe properly. We use apostrophe to show possession, that means ownership. Look at these sentences. The bee's hive. The hive belongs to one bee. The hive belongs to the bee. So here we used apostrophe after the word bee, then we added s. The girl's gift. The gift belongs to one girl. So here we used apostrophe and s with the singular noun girl. So in the case of singular possessives, we have to use apostrophe and s after the singular noun. And in the case of plural possessives, we have to use only apostrophe with the after the word. In the case of plural possessives, if the noun ends with s, we have to use apostrophe after s. The bee's hive. The hive belongs to more than one bee. The girl's gifts. The gifts belong to more than one girl. So here we used only apostrophe after the plural noun. Some more examples are here. So in the case of singular nouns, we have to use apostrophe and s after the singular noun. Dog's house, books words, girls dolls, birds chicks, car's engine, sister's room, Jim's pen, my mom's bag. In the case of plural nouns, if the noun ends in s, we have to add only apostrophe after the plural noun. Boy's ball, table's legs, girl's hands. Here the word boys, it's plural. More than one boy is there. Tables, more than one table is there. Girls, more than one girl is there. If the noun does not end in s, we have to add apostrophe and s with the plural noun. The noun which does not end in s, we have to add apostrophe and s. Women's bags. Women is a plural noun. Children's dolls. Children is a plural noun. Men's shoes. We also use apostrophe in the place of the missing letter or letters. This is called contraction. A contraction is a short form of a word or set of numbers in which one or more letters have been omitted or left out. So an apostrophe takes the place of the missing letter or letters. This is called contraction. Here we used apostrophe instead of the letter A. Do not. Here we used apostrophe instead of the missing letter O. Here are some common contractions given. Let's see how apostrophe used here properly. Are not, cannot, could not, did not, do not, does not, had not, have not, he is, he has, he will, he would, here is, I am, I have, I will, I would, I had, is not, it is, it has, it will, must not, she is, she has, she will, she had, should not, that is, there is, they are, they have, they will, they would, they had, was not, we are, we have, we will, we would, we had, were not, what is, were is, who will not, would not, you are, you have, you will, you would, you had. You have to write down these common contractions, these words and contractions in your notebook. Then do the worksheet given with the video. Do the worksheet in your rough book. We will send the answers tomorrow. I hope all of you understood it very well. Thank you.